This week on the Dairyland Drifter, we hike a segment of the Ice Age Trail. Hi folks, this is Dave. Welcome to the Dairyland Drifter. This week we hiked the Plover River segment of the Ice Age Trail in central Wisconsin. Now I'll be accompanied by a friend of mine I grew up with, and his name is Dave Clark. Dave's a very interesting guy. He grew up on a farm, but he's got a really productive auto body business in my hometown. He also is a forester. He loves the trees, he loves the woods, he likes to hunt. Now, Dave's also a member of the volunteer fire department and an EMT. Consequently, he's got stories to tell, and I did not do a very good job of getting that on mic when we were on the trail. I learned a valuable lesson by not miking him, or you know what I mean? Always mic your principals in a video. And I tried to do some audio adjustments so that you could hear him. Hopefully you can. Anyway, this was a really nice little hike, and I hope you enjoy it. Also, for those of you who are familiar with the Ice Age Trail, I did not know until after the fact that dogs need to be on a leash. I thought it was just walking in the woods, but I guess not. So, for those of you who are wondering why the dog wasn't on a leash, she will be next time. Okay, we're gonna go out on the Ice Age Trail today. Only 114 miles to the Wisconsin River. Think we can get that done? 430 miles to the western terminus. I think we'll probably go to County HH. Ready to go, Layla?
You know, if we say 114 miles, must be taking the Ice Age Trail. I'm not sure where. The Wisconsin River should run through us, so.
I know you're there somewhere. It's like you're invisible. There he is. There's Dave. Dave and Dave on the Ice Age Trail.
I assume that somebody's out there.
Come on, Layla.
We had to do rescue twice in the Ice Age Trail, and both the times it's been here.
Rescues?
Yeah.
Wintertime?
No, summer.
What the heck was the story?
Well,
Lost?
in cases it was older people. One guy was in here, and this is almost 2.5 miles, I think, from one end to the other. You got about halfway in, an 80-year-old guy, and God, his heart was giving him trouble. So
hey, babe.
Come up here.
Come on, keep up.
It's probably like, I think around 5 o'clock during the week. And we staged back there, and everybody's going, oh, I got a four-wheeler, I got a four-wheeler. And I'm the only one that's been on these trails. I said, no. You can't access it with a four-wheeler. You had this.
Oh, yeah.
And even guys come with four-wheelers, and it's just, they'll potentially make it so you're staying off with motorized.
Yeah.
And I was kind of at the start there with the radio and being the go-between. We not knowing what was going on, our chief got the town of Easton involved, and they're all showing up, and everybody, no, you got to walk in. The trail isn't that way.
So then you got to try to horse their vehicles out of here and everything else.
Well, we had to walk in with a stretcher. The guys did, and he ended up walking most of the way. We carried him for the way, and it's kind of hard. The trail is narrow when you get on both sides of the stretcher. And it took 45 minutes. He slowly walked his way out. And then I think the next year we had a woman midday or so, older people again, but she just stepped wrong and twisted her ankle and fell, and she actually broke her wrist.
Oh boy.
And so a bit of pain and lightheaded, and we ended up, she walked out too, kind of assisted her. But then I proposed to the fire department of buying these one-wheel rescue carts.
Oh yeah, you were telling me about that last year. Yeah.
And, I've yet to use it.
So, how do these people get a hold of you, and how do you find them?
Well, cell phones is, fortunately, I guess there's always been able to have contact.
But what do they just call 911?
Probably, and I think when you call 911, I think it diverts all that power to from your phone. That's it.
It usually, and doesn't it call the nearest 911?
Yeah, it should. I had one guy part of a car accident. He dialed 911. He wasn't in a very good area. He said that zapped his phone.
Oh no.
You know, the call went through and everything.
Then his phone went dead.
Yeah, it went very low.
Man, it must have taken a long time and a lot of work to build that boardwalk.
Yeah, I thought if I ever retire, I wouldn't mind donating time to something like this. But it seemed like we went like for an hour down. You turn around and looked up and see where you had to go back to. It was cool. There was ice on some of it.
Mm-hmm.
And it could boil. Oh, cedar swamp.
It's pretty. Pretty in here. Yeah, what is the total length of the Ice Age Trail? Have you spotted that on the map?
I don't recall.
A place to stop and get eaten by mosquitoes. I like the fact that they've got this little chair rail on the side.
Yeah, doesn't that make you feel safer?
Yeah. I suppose it's, well,
Look at the left-hand side, kind of a mess you got in here.
yeah, I see a lot of marked trees too.
Must be a property line. What's
Yeah, that is a,
sometimes you're trying to stay on county land and stuff. I don't know if this is private land or not.
it's fun hiking these trails with somebody who knows the woods and knows the trees. Dave's a forester, and he's always pointing out That's an ash. That's a hickory. That's a maple. I can tell maples by the leaves, but everything else, a little sketchy. But it's fun to be out in the woods and seeing all this beautiful canopy overhead. It's beautiful out here. Want to go by, Layla? Want to go by? Huh? Want to go by? Honey? No? Okay. All I did is, let's go. Layla is still recovering from her ACL. It's been 9 weeks now. She's doing pretty good. She gets sore. Yesterday she was running and jumping in the water, and she was a little sore on that. We iced it last night. She was pretty good on her little walk this morning, but right now we're doing something a little more challenging, uphill, downhill. Go ahead, girl. Go ahead. Okay, you want me to go ahead? And, okay, I'll go first. There you go. You can follow me. And then we'll just take it easy. This route that we're taking now is probably 1.5 miles, maybe 2 miles. We'll see when we get to the end. I forgot to turn on my app to see how far we've been going, but we just stopped for a water break, and we're going to be coming out in about another 15-20 minutes, and I think she's probably going to snooze pretty well today.
Goes down a couple hundred yards.
Doing this kind of thing. When you consider all the extra walking we do, can we do this something?